In this video, I'll show you how to stream videos over the internet using VLC Media Player. With this method, you can play a video file on one computer and stream it to another computer using the internet. This method is useful if you want to stream a video from one computer to another without uploading it to YouTube, Google Drive, or any other cloud service. So let's start the process. First, open VLC Media Player on the computer where your video file is stored. In my case, I am using my desktop computer as the streaming computer. After opening VLC, click on Media from the top left corner and then click on Open Network Stream. Now, in the tab file, click on Add and select the video file that you want to stream over the internet. After selecting the video, click on Stream from the drop-down. Click Next. Now, you need to choose the destination for the stream. From the drop-down menu, select HTTP. HTTP means VLC will create a web-based stream using your computer's IP address and a port number. You'll also see an option called Display Locally. If you enable this option, the video will also play on your streaming computer while it is being streamed. This is useful if you want to confirm that the video is playing properly. Click on Add. Now you will see the port option. VLC usually shows 8080 as the default port, and I'll keep this default port in this video. However, if you prefer, you can use any free port within your network. After that, click on Next. Now, VLC may show a transcoding option. For this tutorial, I am going to disable transcoding. This makes the setup simple and avoids unnecessary conversion. If your receiving device supports the video format, it should play directly without transcoding. Then click on Next again. Now you'll see the final stream output settings. You do not need to change anything here. Just click on Stream. At this point, VLC has started streaming your selected video from your desktop computer. But right now, this stream is only available inside your local network. If you want to access it from another network through the internet, you need to forward the same port in your router. So now open your router admin page. The exact router page will look different depending on your router brand, but the option is usually called port forwarding, virtual server, or NAT forwarding. Now, create a new port forwarding rule. For the service name, you can type VLC. For the internal IP address, enter the local IP address of the computer where VLC is streaming the video. In my case, this is the IP address of my desktop computer. For the port number, enter the same port number that we used in VLC. Since we are keeping the default USB port, the port number will be 8080. For protocol, you can select TCP, or if there is an option for all, you can select that. After entering all the details, save the port forwarding rule. Now your router knows that whenever someone tries to access this port from the internet, it should forward that request to your desktop computer where VLC is running. Next, you need to find your public IP address. To do that, open a browser and search for what is my IP. Open the first website. It will show your public IP address. Now go to the second computer where you want to play the stream. In my case, I am testing it on a laptop. Open VLC Media Player on the second computer. Click on Media, then click on Open Network Stream. Now you need to enter the stream URL in this format. Type http://, then enter your public IP address, then type a colon, and then enter the port number. After entering the URL, click on Play. If everything is set up correctly, the video from your desktop computer should start playing on the laptop through the internet. And that's it. This is how you can stream videos over the internet using VLC Media Player. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.